a short review of DJI. So this is DJI. What can I say? Definitely this is not really professional sound. It's very flat. It's very kind of maybe for YouTubers, kind of cheaper sound. I've heard the Saramonic. In some ways Saramonic sound is better, but this one is better for the distance, which is very important. It's not only the distance, it's the strength of the sound, because sometimes people shoot video and they walk around, they block by body or two bodies or whatever. So I was trying to watch some videos on YouTube, and some people are trying this one, like this kind. This is actually Audio Technica. I think it's made by Panasonic. So, but realistically, if you look at the microphone, like this, you see the small one, and people on YouTube are comparing different microphones, trying to improve this. Well, I can tell you, I did try, and actually the signal would be lower than with a normal DJI. So why? Because even if it has a battery, this is not a strong output signal microphone. Basically this is junk. This microphone is junk, unless it's like you okay in editing, bump up the volume to high degree, and it's very crucial, nothing should be seen. But otherwise you can hide this underneath with a magnet, or you can have a string, like a string, and you can hand on the string and hide behind your t-shirt or shirt. Now, honestly, from what I know, the best is actually, in order to get the best sound from this microphone, you need to go with bigger diaphragm. So if you open this dead cat, if you open, you see the Microsoft, you see the microphone diaphragm, the width, suppose like 5 millimeters. In order to get better sound, you need something bigger. So I have this one, Tascam, I think it's called 10SG. It's not the best on the market, but this is pretty good actually, Tascam 10SG. And I did try to record, and actually I see a difference. This would give me more lows and more highs. It's kind of like more studio kind of sound. And this one you can change from 12-bit to 24-bit sound. So it has a processing for 24-bit sound. So all those kind of smaller microphones, I don't think they even offer you to have 24-bit sound. Now, if there is a microphone like this, 24-bit sound, and you look at diaphragm, this appeared to me definitely bigger. This is bigger than this unit. It's like a unit. It's like bigger here, and here is definitely even more big. So this is more sensitive. This is more sensitive, but to me, it's more kind of shotgun. It's not super long shotgun, but it's kind of a shotgun. But anyway, I did try, and it does sound more professional. So like, what I want to say, if you want better sound, you need to have, like this has one battery, big one, or AAA. It's not that small tiny ones, flat ones. It's one AAA battery, so it has more power than small ones, and it has 24 beat. So this, I was comparing, this would be more kind of studio sound compared to this one. After this appears very flat, like a radio or something. So let me show you. So what I do is I turn this on. You see, this normally I put, it has a hot shoe. I usually put on camera. There are some Rode mics, there's other similar ones that you have this, or you can buy like for interview the long one, you know, like this and has a handle. So that would be okay, as long as it has good battery and high output, and I believe it should have 24 beat. Now, so I'm changing from one to another one. So what I do is I remove this. So I remove this dead cat. Otherwise you cannot attach the microphone. And I put this microphone to this one. So this, I would say, like the diaphragm probably 3 millimeters. Definitely less than that microphone. Okay, and I put this inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. So this is my wireless shotgun. So suppose receiver I have on a phone or on a camera, and this is wireless. I can attach to something, suppose like this. That's it. This is my wireless setup. Well, I need to find a way to attach. But suppose somewhere in a room, in a park, or anywhere, if you are not going too far from this particular microphone, if you are just sitting talking, I think this is much more professional sound. It has more lows, more highs. The depth is more like a studio kind. Another one, I think it's good like that, but you hold in your hand, like for interviews. I think that sound would be way better than this one. So even if some people say you need to buy like DJI with one gift to another guy, you can give, or you can just give like for interview, like a microphone, and this attached somehow to that microphone. I think the rubber band, you put rubber band around, it will hold. So to me this is better sound. Now I'm disconnecting, you can hear. I will continue talking, but without this particular microphone. So this would be just normal sound. It's actually without that cat. What people say good about this, you can actually put one microphone and few people talking, and this is kind of like picking up big area. It's not a shotgun. It can pick up every sound around. So you can just put this maybe on a tripod on a table, and bunch of people talking. You can record with one actually, like interview 10 people. How you gonna record? You need like 360-degree probably microphone. Well, if you have better setup, you can have those big 360-degree microphones, but like if you go outside somewhere, suppose camping, you can, if you have two, it's not enough. You can have two, but if 10 people talking close to the table, probably you just put on the table. So what you can do is you can have the microphone like I did show you, but that is more direct. There is a setting, it's called field, maybe it will change something. But anyway, in any case, this is just like a normal sound. You can see the difference. It's very flat sound, very flat. I don't know if, like, suppose I did not try actually, but if I record with this, like at home studio with this sound and with this one, I think in editing it's much easier to edit this sound to what you like compared to this one. So what I'm thinking about finding external mic that would be like that, big, that I can attach somehow, or maybe put in your pocket, and it should have good battery. You know, like some camcorders, they have like a shorter one, good microphone, strong one. Maybe you can put somehow in your pocket or something. But anyway, I decided to show you an example how to make better sound, because with those small ones you cannot make better sound. I've tried and I've seen on YouTube any small one they try, it's not really better than this one. So but the only way you can make is something like this, like shotgun. Try to get probably 24 beats, or try to get good options. This has like different options, low cut and limiter and high tone, low tone, normal. You can get this one at discount price for pretty cheap actually. No, not super cheap, but like $100. Some maybe discount places offer it, or you just find something like that. It should be condenser microphone. If it's not condenser without battery, it will not have a good strong signal output. So this mic might be stronger than if you connect some without battery mic. That's all I can say. I hope you got something out of it. Have a good time. Bye.